I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your workspace, sign into the Google account, and open a Colab notebook. Next, mount Drive so you can access files. Run from Google. Colab import drive, mount/content/drive. This gives a persistent path. Once mounted, change to the folder containing your dataset or assign the path to a variable. Make sure to allow permissions in the pop-up. Once Drive is mounted, you can list files to confirm the dataset name and exact path before loading it into Python. Now load the data itself. If the file is local, use Colab's File Upload widget. For Drive, use the path you mounted. For public files, use wget or gdown. Then read data with the appropriate loader, pandas. Read CSV for CSVs, TF. Data for TensorFlow pipelines or custom parsing with Open. For text or binary formats. If you have a zip, unzip it with unzip or Python zip file and point your loader at the extracted folder. Make sure file encodings and delimiters match your reader settings. Finish by verifying the dataset. Inspect samples with df, head, or dataset. Take 5, check shapes and types, and perform any necessary preprocessing. Save processed datasets back to Drive using DataFrame, to CSV or NumPy. Save so you don't repeat work. If a step fails, check the common culprits: wrong file path, Drive not mounted, or token permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, remount Drive and relist the directory to confirm the correct path. That fixes most permission and path errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.